Ryan, are you okay? Your hand is bleeding.
I accidentally cut my finger while opening a box.
Don't worry. Let's clean the cut first.
Do you have a first aid kit nearby?
Yes, it's in the kitchen cabinet. I'll get it right away.
Thank you. The cut isn't very deep, but it stings.
Here it is. First, I'll wash the wound with clean water.
Okay, what should we do next?
I'll apply some antiseptic cream and cover it with a bandage.
That sounds good. Should I see a doctor?
If the bleeding doesn't stop or the cut gets worse, you should.
I understand. I'll keep an eye on it.
Try to keep the bandage clean and dry.
I will. Thanks for helping me so quickly.
You're welcome. Take care, and I hope your finger heals soon. Hi, Ryan. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not yet. Why don't we go on a picnic?
That's a wonderful idea. The weather is supposed to be sunny.
Great. Which park should we visit?
Let's go to Green Valley Park. It has a beautiful lake and plenty of shade.
Perfect. What food should we bring?
I'll make sandwiches, fruit salad, and lemonade.
I'll bring chips, cookies, and a picnic blanket.
Don't forget a portable speaker for some music.
Good idea. I'll also bring a frisbee and a football.
That will make the picnic even more fun.
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 10 a.m. near the park entrance.
Sounds perfect. I can't wait.
Me neither. It's going to be a relaxing and enjoyable day. Ryan, I think our living room needs a fresh new look.
I was thinking the same thing. Let's rearrange the furniture this weekend.
Great! Where should we move the sofa?
Let's place it near the window to get more natural light.
I like that idea. What about the coffee table?
We can move it to the center of the room.
Should we put the bookshelf next to the TV?
Yes, that will save space and make the room look more organized.
I'd also like to add a few indoor plants.
That will make the room feel brighter and more relaxing.
We should hang that new painting above the sofa, too.
Perfect. It will add some color to the room.
Once we're finished, we can invite our friends over.
I'm sure they'll love the new layout.
I can't wait to see the final result.
Me too. Let's get started. Excuse me, I need some help.
Of course. How can I help you today?
I think I lost my bus pass this morning.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you know where you might have lost it?
I'm not sure. I used it on the bus, but I couldn't find it when I arrived at work.
That's okay. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Alex Carter.
Thank you. Do you remember your bus pass number?
No, but I have my student ID with me.
That's helpful. We can check your account and block the lost pass.
Great. Can I get a replacement today?
Yes. There is a small replacement fee, and your new pass will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip. Hi, Ryan. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Emma. I'm feeling much better than yesterday. Thanks for visiting me.
Of course. I was worried when I heard you were in the hospital.
It wasn't too serious. The doctor said I just needed a few days of rest.
That's a relief. Are the nurses taking good care of you?
Yes, everyone has been very kind and helpful.
I brought you some fruit and a book to help pass the time.
Thank you. That's very thoughtful of you.
When do you think you'll be able to go home?
The doctor said I might be discharged tomorrow.
That's wonderful news. Your family will be happy.
I can't wait to sleep in my own bed again.
Keep following the doctor's advice and get plenty of rest.
I will. Thanks again for coming to see me.
Hi, Ryan. I'm at the shopping mall. Where are you?
Hi, I just arrived. I'm standing near the main entrance.
Great. I'm on the first floor, outside the bookstore.
Okay, I'll be there in a few minutes.
Take your time. I'm looking at some new clothes.
Perfect. I also want to buy a pair of shoes today.
We can visit the shoe store after we meet.
Sounds good. Have you had lunch yet?
Not yet. Let's eat together after shopping.
Great idea. I know a nice cafe on the second floor.
That sounds perfect. I could really use a cup of coffee.
I can see the bookstore now. Are you wearing a blue jacket?
Yes, that's me. I'm waving at you.
I see you now. Let's start shopping.
Awesome. It's going to be a fun afternoon.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What can I do for you?
My train hasn't arrived yet. Is it delayed?
Let me check the schedule for you.
Thank you. I have an important meeting this afternoon.
I understand. Your train is delayed by about 20 minutes because of a signaling problem.
Oh, I see. Will it leave from the same platform?
Yes, it will depart from Platform 4 as planned.
Will I still be able to catch my connecting train?
It might be close, but please speak to the conductor if you miss your connection.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. We'll announce any updates over the station speakers.
I'll wait near the platform then.
That's a good idea. I hope you have a safe journey.
Thanks for your help.
Hi, Ryan. You look really fit these days.
Thanks. I've been exercising regularly for the past few months.
That's impressive. What kind of exercise do you usually do?
I go to the gym 3 times a week, and I walk every evening.
That sounds like a healthy routine. Do you enjoy working out?
Yes, I do. It helps me stay strong and reduces my stress.
What's your favorite exercise?
I enjoy weight training, but I also like cycling on weekends.
Do you follow a workout plan?
Yes, I focus on different muscle groups each day and always stretch before and after exercising.
That's a good habit. Do you eat healthy as well?
I try to. I eat more vegetables, lean protein, and drink plenty of water.
You're doing a great job. Keep it up.
Thanks. Staying active makes me feel happier and healthier.
Ryan, our electricity bill was higher than usual this month.
I noticed that too. We should find ways to save electricity.
I agree. We can start by turning off the lights when we leave a room.
That's a simple habit. We should also unplug chargers when we're not using them.
Good idea. They still use a small amount of power if they're plugged in.
We could also replace our old light bulbs with LED bulbs.
Yes, LED bulbs use less electricity and last much longer.
What about the air conditioner?
Let's use it only when necessary and keep the windows open when the weather is cool.
That will help reduce our energy use.
We should also run the washing machine only with full loads.
I like that plan. It saves both electricity and water.
Small changes can make a big difference.
Absolutely. We'll save money and help protect the environment.
Oh no, I think we just missed the last bus.
You're right. I can see it driving away.
What should we do now?
Don't worry. Let's look for another way to get home.
Do you think we can get a taxi?
Yes, or we could book a ride through a mobile app.
That's a good idea. Is there a taxi stand nearby?
Yes, it's just across the street.
How long do you think we'll have to wait?
Probably about 10 minutes.
That's not too bad. I'm glad we're together.
Me too. It's always easier to solve problems together.
Next time, let's leave a little earlier.
I completely agree. We won't miss the last bus again.
Thanks for staying calm.
You're welcome. We'll be home soon. Good morning. I'm here from my vaccination appointment.
Good morning. May I have your name, please?
My name is Ryan Miller. I booked the appointment online.
Thank you. I found your booking. Have you been feeling well today?
Yes, I feel fine.
Great. Have you had any allergies or serious reactions to vaccines before?
No, I've never had any problems.
That's good to hear. The injection will only take a few seconds.
Will it hurt?
You may feel a small pinch, but it will be over quickly.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excellent. Please relax your arm.
That wasn't bad at all.
I'm glad. Please wait in the clinic for about 15 minutes before leaving.
Of course. Thank you for your care.
You're welcome. Have a great day and stay healthy.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a new laptop.
Certainly. What will you use it for?
Mostly for studying, watching videos, and a little photo editing.
In that case, I'd recommend a laptop with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a fast SSD.
That sounds good. How much does it cost?
This model is £699, and it comes with a 2-year warranty.
That's within my budget. How long does the battery last?
It lasts up to 10 hours on a full charge.
Does it include Microsoft Office?
It comes with a free trial, but you'll need to buy a license afterwards.
Can I try the keyboard before I decide?
Of course. Please take your time.
I like it. It's light, fast, and comfortable to use.
Excellent choice. I'll prepare it for you.
Thank you for your help.